The metadata command in Splunk is used to retrieve information about indexes, source types, hosts, and sources. It provides a quick way to get high-level metadata details from your data environment. To use the metadata command, simply specify the type of metadata you want to retrieve. The main types include index, source types, hosts, and sources. Each type returns metadata relevant to that category for analysis. The type parameter controls which metadata category is brought back. Options include index for indexes, source types for the types of data sources, hosts for the machines sending data, and sources for the originating events. Common fields found in the metadata output include host, which identifies the machine name, index, which shows the data index name, source, representing event origins, source type, the format or classifier of the data, and total count, indicating the number of events present. You can filter the metadata results by specifying an index parameter. This limits the metadata to specific indexes, allowing focused inspection of hosts, source types, or sources within those indexes. Some important output fields to understand include first time, which marks the earliest event timestamp, last time, showing the most recent event timestamp, total event count, the overall number of events logged, and recent time, which is the latest index time for the data. In practical use, you can query source types within the main index or retrieve host metadata from the internal index to monitor system health or data diversity. Combining these queries helps in data exploration and operational insights. The metadata command is an essential tool for gathering metadata about indexes, source types, hosts, and sources. It uses the type parameter to specify the metadata category and supports filtering by index. Common output fields include event counts and timestamps, making it ideal for quick, high-level insights within Splunk searches. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.